Hey guys, so this is David and Taste Bud with you once again, and I am in downtown Kingston. Yes, so I am giving you something different today. So guys, I am in downtown Kingston, the street that never sleeps, and today we are here with one Anthony, the man that do the natural juice. I've always talk about the natural juices, but every time I go to the restaurant and I ask them about the juices and for the natural juice, well today guys, guess what? I woke up on the real natural man, but do the real natural juice. Yeah guys, but there's a lady that does soup and corn just beside Anthony, but she's not here as yet. But we're gonna feature Anthony with his natural juice. So we're gonna find out now what kind of natural juice him to know. If I don't want him call him to put it back on there. We're gonna find out all of him do today. So today we are here in downtown Kingston. Yes guys, so all of you don't remember downtown Kingston, I'm gonna give you a pretty view of downtown Kingston. Yeah. So that is over the park over there. Yeah, so all of you overseas and remember the park. That's a beautiful park over there. Yeah. And I'm also right beside the arcade. Yes. And over there we have the Parish Church. Yeah guys, right over there. So we're in the beautiful street of downtown Kingston. Yes guys. So we are here downtown Kingston. Yes. So I'm going to show you now Mr. One Anthony with his natural juice. Alright guys, so here Mr. One Anthony right here. Which good for you? Huh? Which good for you? It's a good for you. It makes you stand up in the night. Oh yeah, say. So yes, Mr. Anthony, so what is that one you build us now?
Yeah, the one near Magnum Punch. Tonight having peanut, oats, papa, banana, molasses, flaxseed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, chia seed, protein powder.
So this young man over here now was just telling me about.
No, me are 89 B.
89.
Yeah, this make you stand up in the night. You know, have to face it.
Oh, I hear you.
Yeah, the drink it off and don't waste it,
Nah, how much?
All right.
6
So that servings, what he just ordered was for 6 bills. 6 bills. Nice, nice. Yes, guys. So this is a natural juice for the bill over here from one Mr. Anthony. So, I soon make Anthony tell what and what he have right on this table, and what they are. So you're drinking right now, Papa?
Come on, how you doing?
Oh, you mean? So after you drink that, now you don't want nothing more for the day. Pull you up. All right, pull you up. Keep on your feet right through the day. Stand up right through the night.
Come on.
Yes. Yeah, man. So Anthony, so how long do you do the business right now, yes, sir?
About here and 6 months,
About here and 6 months.
Yeah.
Oh, so you normally get like a crowd that come here and buy them
Yeah,
things.
man, on and off.
So
Yeah.
when the man them come here come buy them thing now, when they really ask for like when the gentleman say, boy, stand up in the night. When they come here, when they buy.
Some of them are that in all different styles.
All different size. So the highest price we have over here, Anthony, is like for how much?
Like 8 bills.
8 bills for one. So over here I can see oats.
Yeah,
That's
we have
oats right
oats.
here.
Then I want everything in our jar.
Oh, it's everything in the jar.
Yeah, this are oats.
So the oats,
It's a pumpkin seed,
chia
seed,
chia seed,
flax seed,
seed,
sunflower
seed,
peanut another one,
peanut,
and it's a protein powder.
protein powder. So a man like me now would I love the protein powder because say a man who do the push up and the weights thing need the protein powder. you know, for to make the shake.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So
3 different flavor me have, you know.
3 different flavor.
Yeah.
Nice. So the ladies them come and buy it too. See
Yeah, man. Them
so
love
them
the
really
one.
come and ask. Her.
Them love the one of the papa, banana, apple, the protein.
So that really for why them come out that one? What that
And
for?
say it make them battery jar get fat, you know.
Well, guys, I think I'll write that on the description.
See, man,
I think
them
you
love
want
the
you
cookies,
onto the
you know.
same one.
Them a commander back in.
Yeah.
So you say make the thing get bigger, the
Yeah, man,
rum,
thick up on them,
the
you know.
rum shake. Yeah, Anthony. Yeah. So like so I go alright this man. Like so the banana nuts where you put in like in everything or in some of the punches that you make.
Yeah, man, anything, but some people don't want banana.
Oh, so some
people want
people-
pine same way.
Oh.
Yeah, we have pine and everything, man. But
Oh,
we don't
oh.
really put out on the cake.
See,
Because
see.
some not get that bad.
Yeah. So you say Anthony out here every day.
Yeah, man, Monday to Saturday, man.
So you're not there on Sunday.
No,
Why?
so they want with the kids, them, you know.
Oh, one thing Anthony has said about church, you know.
No, man, we keep for church, you know, in own side. That's
All right,
it.
boss.
Yeah, we have to use them.
Yeah.
So we have to spend our one day with them, though.
Yeah, for real, man. So the kids them want to see him now. Yeah, man. So you're watching Mr. Dave and Taste Bud.
What you think?
Dave and Taste Bud, man. So right here is Mr. Pops drinking his punch. What he's saying now, keep him up late at night. Whoa. So
Woman, I'm a bad, my mother.
yeah. All right. Alright, so Mr. Juan Anthony is gonna make me a punch. So you can see he's putting the banana and actually, you know, whatever he's putting inside of this punch. I don't know what name, when he finish him tell me what name. Yeah man. So this is my punch. Yeah man. So for serving like that now, Anthony, how much for it?
6 or 800.
600, 800.
Yeah.
Oh.
12 ounce cup of 600 and 16 ounce cup of 800.
Oh, see.
Yeah.
Papaya.
Yeah, man. Tagavin, papa, melon, banana, flaxseed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed,
Oh, yeah, say.
peanut, oat,
Nice.
protein
Whoa.
powder, mallow.
Yeah, mad thing. Yeah, man. So yeah guys, you can just see the beautiful people downtown Kingston passing by, you know, going to their business areas, some going to Portmore, some going to Spanish Town. You have to come in the heart of downtown Kingston here guys. So you know, anywhere you're going, like for instance, if also by the airport, you come straight down here to hold the bus. You know, country, Ochi, Montego Bay, you come all the way down here. Coronation Market, everything you find down here, yes. So yeah guys, so Anthony just make me my big punch. So I don't call this one put it back in, I call this one strength. Yeah man, I want to name strength. So Anthony can tell him now, so I want to name strength. Yeah man. So like I said guys, hold on. So let me say something. When I go uptown go do this.
Yeah, up inside.
But Anthony think bad brother.
You see. Now look at things in plan, man. You see me?
I try this in a sovereign.
Yeah.
And if we get sovereign 10, right now I get Anthony 12.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I think bad Anthony, trust me. So my military I taste the flaxseed.
Yeah man, anyway you go here.
Yeah man, I taste the flaxseed.
I juice them corners still.
The way you're going again Anthony?
Yeah.
I taste the love.
And that's the most important thing we use, man.
I mean I taste the one they call him. I have to come back.
Yeah, man,
I have to come back.
I see that.
Yeah man, the thing bad. So Anthony right now I'm gonna need people going on my next friend car. Me going down the road, I same thing at the right. So.
Yeah.
So you just sell out for them at down the road.
Yes,
so I'm not bother you go down the road. I just end everything right
here.
here.
Yeah, go down there.
And the same thing are
my one tougher than that.
Tougher than female.
I tell you that.
So Anthony said, boy, I'm not going to go down the road. Car.
Yeah, man.
I don't really miss nothing down there, you know?
No,
yo, the thing bad.
Everything there perennial charge, that's it.
So Perennial Charles Arcade.
Yeah.
So guys, like I said, when you're coming downtown,
From Church Street.
I'm going to like the you can tell him Anthony. You can talk to him, man.
Yeah man, I locate right at Church Street.
Church Street.
Perennial charge arcade, you
Yeah.
see it, right on the front. You see a blue top all in the come out.
Yeah.
One juice.
Because Anthony early now, so they really put up the tent now. So
Yeah,
so
your son not come over yet, we not put
Yeah.
up the tent yet, but they don't know.
See right, and on blue tent.
Yeah.
Under one blue tent.
Yeah,
so
man.
once you come downtown and you go into the Coronation Market, I want the thing named.
No
Yo.
man, and a coronation.
No man. When
Oh.
you go into the Coronation Market
Okay, yeah.
and you
Yes,
want
sir.
something to hold you for the day, you just come right to Anthony beside the what you call this building here now?
Perennial charge arcade.
Colonel Charles Arcade.
Yeah man, anywhere downtown you come you can find me, you see.
Yeah. So yeah.
One juice.
One juicy. So they call it juicy.
Yeah.
Alright, my boss.
Respect to them.
Yeah, guys. So, like I said, David Tastewood is here, and I find them wherever they are. So today we're not doing food, you know, we are doing juice. Yeah, man. Today we're doing juice, and we call this one now. They call the punch. Yeah, man. The punch. Yeah, man. The thing bad, man.
So next time I come back, my boss, come, the one you know, when you come back next week.
Next week.
So next week when you come.
Next week, come here, come and I'm with my friend. Come buy 2 juice from you.
Alright, and next week.
Yeah, man.
Me take go up, you see.
Oh, yeah, put up. Oh,
I got my thing there, man.
oh.
And my name, I got my business name, because my thing there in the process.
I mean,
License
Anthony.
my thing, you see.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Respect, man. Respect, Anthony. Respect,
Yeah, man.
respect. So we'll find him. And really, Anthony, me come find him. And then the lady beside Anthony will do the soup and the corn. Yeah. But you know, come out. So I say, you know what? Anthony love the thing on the pan table. Why not?
Yeah.
You know? So,
Fully, you know.
like I said,
Yeah, that's it.
the event Tastewood is here. And you can find Anthony right downtown Kingston. When you come shop, or you go airport,
King's
or you go
anyway.
Portmore, or you go Spanish Town.
Yeah,
Anywhere you go,
waterfront,
you go on the
anywhere, man.
waterfront,
Yeah.
you stop right as up, and you get your punch, Hey, I'm not even tell you what on my position today.
Really?
Them have got talk what they want. Them self off my table.
Alright.
Yeah.
Everything there for them, you know?
So big up on yourself again. Until we
Fully,
catch you
fully.
again, guys. Peace out.
Yeah.
You're a customer. You're a customer, you know, all them over. Smooth
No,
process.
man, I know your thing.
Later.
No job.
So you always buy your carrot shake, as you call it, from Anthony.
It's my son, my son.
Oh, you buy it for your son?
Yeah.
So you're not buying anything for yourself?
No,
No,
not today.
not today. All right.
But next time.
All right.